derive the equation for integrated rate equation for first order reactions. What is meant by first order reaction? That means the rate of the reaction is proportional to the first power of the concentration of the reactant in the rate equation. That is called first order reaction. For general, reactant A gives B. B represents the product. Therefore, rate is equal to some constant K into concentration of the reactant A whole power 1. This power is 1. Therefore, this belongs to first order reaction. Now let us discuss about general reaction. Reactant R gives rise to product P. Therefore, rate is equal to decrease in the concentration of the reactant. That means minus dr by dt, that is equal to some constant K into concentration of R whole power 1. Concentration of R whole power 1 means concentration of R. Okay. Concentration of R is taken into downside of the dr. That means minus d concentration of R by concentration of R is equal to cross multiplication K into dt. Minus sign is taken into right side. Therefore, d concentration of R by concentration of R is equal to minus K into dt. Integration on both sides. Integration on both sides. Therefore, this is numerator, this is denominator. Denominator differentiation on numerator. Therefore, this is written as taken as natural logarithm ln. Ln concentration of R is equal to integration differentiation cancel. That is equal to minus K into T plus I, where I represents the integration constant. Yet time t is equal to 0. At time t is equal to 0, concentration of R, that is equal to concentration of R naught. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1. Therefore, ln concentration of R naught, that is equal to, ln concentration of R is equal to minus Kt plus I means concentration of R naught. That means ln concentration of R. That means ln concentration of R is equal to ln concentration of R naught. Therefore, I means ln concentration of R naught. Ln concentration of R minus this is taken into left side. Ln concentration of R minus ln concentration of R naught. That is equal to minus K. Okay. This is written as ln concentration of R by ln. That means Kt taken into left side and ln concentration of R taken into right side. Therefore ln Kt is equal to ln concentration of R naught minus ln concentration of R. Log ln m minus ln m, that is equal to ln m by n. Therefore, ln concentration of R naught by ln concentration of R, Kt is equal. Therefore, K is equal to 1 by T into ln concentration of R naught by concentration of R. This is natural logarithm, so it is converted into logarithm. So therefore, this equation numerator is multiplied with 2.303. Therefore, rate constant for first order reaction is rewritten as K is equal to 2.303 by T log concentration of R naught by concentration of R. In this equation, K represents the rate constant and T represents the time in seconds concentration of R naught represents the initial concentration of the reactant, and concentration of R represents the concentration of the reactant after time t. This is both are equations for rate constants of first order reactions. K is equal to 1 by T into Ln concentration of R naught by concentration of R, or K is equal to 2.303 into 2.303 divided by T into log concentration of R naught by log concentration of R, where K means rate constant, T means time. Concentration of R naught represents the initial concentration of the reactant. Concentration of R represents the concentration of the reactant after time t. Now let us discuss about examples for first order reactions. Examples of first order reactions. Examples of first order reactions. First example is examples for first order reactions. And first example is hydrogenation of ethane. Hydrogenation of ethane. Ethane means ethylene. Hydrogenation of ethane. Ethane formula is C2H4 plus hydrogen gas gives rise to ethane. In this reaction, rate is equal to some constant K into C2 concentration of CTH4 whole power 1. Therefore, it is an example for first order reaction. That means ethane hydrogenation is an example for first order reaction. C2H4 plus H2 gives rise to C2H6. Second example is decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide. Decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide. Nitrogen pentoxide is another example for first order reaction. Nitrogen pentoxide undergo decomposition. It gives nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. This is an example for another example for first order reaction. Third example is decomposition of nitrous oxide. Decomposition of nitrous oxide is also another example for first order reaction. Fourth example is decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide.